Hi intentionals, welcome back to my channel. So on this particular video I want us to unbox this together. All right, the reason why I am doing this video is because when I wanted to unbox, like you can see, the nylon for the carton is no longer there. I've removed it before I say okay, let me check on YouTube to see if I can see a guide, but I didn't see video for this particular product. I saw for so many products for juice extractor, but I didn't see for this particular product. Omo, to removing this thing really gave me tough time. I struggle with this, but at the end of the day I was able to pull through this. So while I struggling with opening it, let me tell you what the specification of this product is. The voltage is AC 230, frequency is 50 Hz, power is 450 watts, the speed is 18 to 22,000 per minute. Capacity, the juice cup is 1000 ml, which is 1 liter, and the pop cup is 1500, which is 1.5 liter. The continuous working time is 20 minutes. Now let me tell you something. Sorry, 2 minutes. Please, 2 minutes. Emphasis, 2 minutes. Let me tell you this. I know that many of us are as guilty as I was, because I'm not longer that guilty again. Yeah, we have fought and won the battle. Yeah, we brought it out at the end of the day. So back to my story. Sometimes when I'm blending, I found out that my blender will stop, and I kept wondering why it was happening. But the point I had to find out from this particular product that is because I run it continuously without stopping. Or even if I will stop, I must have run for a while before I stop it. That is why it gets heated up and it will stop working. So the maximum time to use these appliances at a goal is 2 minutes. Just run and stop, run and stop. It will serve you very, very well. All right. So you can see that by the time we are struggling to bring out this, the knob of our switch went out. But I had to fix it back. Oh yeah. But hold up. Do you like this content and you've not subscribed to my channel? Oh no, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Drop your thought in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. So let's go on. So another thing I want to say is this: some parents are in the habit of leaving their children to operate this thing. It's beautiful, but please do it with your supervision. Supervise what they are doing. Find out that they are doing the right thing and the right way. While I was watching this video, I saw some of the other products. They will put a whole of apple inside it and it will get blended. But this particular product, this Century, is not like that. You need to cut this into chunks for it to work. The likes of apple, carrots, and those strong, even your pineapple, you need to cut it little by little. This doesn't work like other products. It has its own specification, and it is good you follow it as they have made it. All right, so I'll be showing you, or rather telling you, what the function of each of them. This one is the push bar. Then this is the cup you use to collecting your juice. That's the juice cup. What I'm just showing you now is the switch. You have 0, 1, and 2. Now this one there is called the safety lock. We need to be very safety conscious. If you don't lock this, the up will pull. So you need to lock it for you to be safe, and for your whatever it is you put to blend. This I'm holding is the plug. If you don't plug it, then this one is just for fancy. It's just you need to decorate your house. What I'm holding here now is called the feeding tube and the cover. All right, use it to cover it, and that is where you put your whatever it is you want to strain. You see, this one I was being very careful because I don't know how it is, but then I was able to pull it off. The silver part is the filter, while the black cut part is the cutting blade. The black cut is the silver filters it for you, and this is the chamber that collects your juice to your. This is really the chamber it did. It the vision of label. It sends the juice to the cup side, then the one that is the juice collector, and send the shaft to the, what's it called? It's called Pop Spots. I don't know if I spell this if I pronounce this very well, but then it is what it is. At least you're seeing the video. Alright, so this is where your juice comes out from. The chamber does its work. Send the shaft to where it belongs, send the juice to where it belongs. Alright, so please don't blend this with banana, avocado peel, all these things that are sticky. So don't blend it with it, because it's going to clog the filter and it might affect the product. Alright, so this is how it is, and I just came to share this with you and bring some safety measures to this. Another thing I want to tell you is this: don't apply pressure on the push bar. Alright, just little by little, it will go on its own. You only apply pressure when you must have done it the wrong way and the outcome might not be fine. Yeah, because the first time I did it, I applied pressure and I found out that it did not cut it didn't even blend, it just cut them into pieces and threw them into the trash. Alright, so do it little by little and you get a very good result. What I just lifted up was another strainer. That one does is to make sure that your juice only came out in the liquid form and nothing else attached to it. Follow the instruction of a particular product. Thank you.